Hello again. Sunday morning. I wonder if all those birds are on the roof lined up to go to church, eh? Never know. So what's plans? Well, Seawall today. Don't expect I'm going to be able to get all the way along, but it is a Sunday, so there may be no one there, and I might be able to. Fingers crossed. We can enjoy no wind blocker today, due to the fact we're about a 5 mile an hour wind. So that's great. Got a couple of then and nows for you later on as well. Didn't do one yesterday, so we'll do 2 today. How's that sound? Well, as I approach the start of the Seawall, I can see vans there further down, meaning that the idea of a Sunday and no one being there may not be the case. Look at that, lovely bit of beach again. Marvellous. Just like it used to look. Sand's finding its own level as well now. Great. And the son's taken his wife and the grandkids to Bristol to see some Christmas market or something. Went up yesterday, staying overnight, and they're going out shopping and stuff and doing Christmassy stuff, either Christmas for the kids, you know, that sort of thing, which is lovely. But it means that he won't be coming round today, which is fine. It means I don't have to rush back today like I sometimes do on a Sunday, because I get an alert saying he's turning up in a few seconds. Okay, so that's new. Wasn't there last time I walked along a few days ago. It's just up here, give you context. Some sort of panel, I suppose. Getting power somewhere, but new nonetheless. Yay! Rubbish! Well, nearly at Sprey Point, and no trains so far, unfortunately, apart from that one we saw right at the start of the video from the bridge. Here we go, first train. We can see that their wall is indeed closed off as usual. Whee! Oh, lovely, he's brought a mate. There we go. It's just always the way, isn't it? You don't see any for ages and then 2 come at the same time. Not complaining though, lovely. Give us a toot, mate. Yay, thank you. What a jolly nice, friendly, and indeed happy train. Lovely. Right, well, we take the lower path today, so we can see what they've been up to. There's where the road, the wall is closed. Pile of rocks there at the end of the slipway. That looks vaguely like we might have just done that, but unfortunately you've still got a big bit there missing. Is that a recent repair? It's hard to tell from down here, in fairness. You can tell from the top. Here we go, this is definitely where they've been working. You can see the different colour bricks and mortar being built up. Yeah, they're taking all those off because those weren't all missing up there, so they're rebuilding that completely. There we go. That's pretty much it, I think. Oh, let's take the stairs. There we go, no barrier at all heading in that direction. There's the waterfall. Whee! Plymouth! Whoa! Now that was a noisy one, wasn't it? Wonder if it's those tracks there or something. That was much noisier than normal, made me jump a little bit, to be honest. Not complaining though. There's another one of those new things that's appeared. That's here. So that's 2 I've seen so far. And the plane is still there, unsurprisingly, after surviving 2 storms. See, it's all still locked up at this end. Boo. Oh well, that symbolises a good time to turn around, I suppose. What a lovely place this is to go for a walk. Yay! Ah. That's the noise we like. De-dum de-dum, de-dum de-dum. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to go down the stairs in a sec. It's not too bad. Of course, about 40 trains will go past now. Now that there isn't new. That's been like that for ages with that bit of blue piping showing, so that's not new. There we go, I said I missed trains when I went down here. One's just gone along one way, and I'm hoping to get up the top here to catch the one that's coming the other direction at exactly the same time again. There he is. Whee! Oh, hear me puffing and blowing now, you know why. Looks like that is the pile of rocks there, where those people are just walking around, that we watched them pile up against the wall about a year ago. No long distance views today, I'm afraid, unless you like looking at clouds. Oh, bench is, oh he hasn't, there he is. Ha, you've moved, you were hiding, you naughty bench. How dare you. Bad bench. Bad. Loads of people on the beach further up. Look at them all. Crazy. Maybe that's kind of like a Dalek. I was watching Doctor Who last night, the new version. So maybe it's something come from above to hide in plain sight. Answers on a postcard. Whee! Maybe it's a train magnet, because no sooner I finished filming it, that one came along. Bet he gives a toot. Nope. Not very happy. Well, that was an interesting sound, wasn't it? As I finish the Seawall section on my little wander today, I'm not exactly pleased, but I can announce that a few flecks of the old liquid sunshine have arrived on my glasses. So hopefully it's not supposed to do anything until 1 o'clock, but you know how these things are. Well, the hat has emerged from my pocket to do its job, so hopefully no more water on my glasses. Hello, Mr. Seagull. Bye bye. Probably be able to start to see the liquid sunshine now. It's getting a little bit heavier, and the coat is now zipped up to go with the hat. So if you remember, I did a 1900s photo of a fruit shop at the pier. Well, I haven't been able to get any more details of that, but I have managed to find a 1926 picture of crowds outside the pier, showing shops and stores in the background. Some of the names you can read, so I've got to line it up. Anyway, 1926, crowds outside the pier. Well, there we go. Certainly looks a bit different, doesn't it? On to the next one. Okay, so straight into the next then and now. Not so much a thing, but more a personality. Our local traffic warden in the town, Les Brockwell. He had a very fierce reputation. He was even ended up in one of the national papers being branded as Hitler. And that's not a joke, you can look it up. And in 1986 he retired, and he decided instead of giving out traffic tickets, he'd give out Christmas cards. So it's about here the car would have been. You can see in the background there that wall, make that out. Here he is giving out a Christmas card in 1986. Right, we're going to head up home now. Getting wet enough as it is. Now, very good reports about this Christmas fair on Facebook. Apparently all those rides are free for the kiddies, and this Santa Claus last night was free as well, and all the kids got a present, all free. Lovely. I did manage to get down to the light switch on last night, absolutely packed, so I couldn't get much footage, and I was late. I was in the middle of eating a chicken hot pot, no lie, and I thought, blimey, what's the time? So I rushed out, got down, and literally I came around the corner. You'll see it in the Christmas video, and you'll hear 3, 2, 1, and then the cheer. But you do see the lights go on the tree, so that's all good. Looks like we've got some sort of dog show taking place. Possibly the best Christmas dressed dog. They're all wearing little outfits. Just been into the bake shop, got Mum a surprise pasty. And that chap over there, wearing the hat, that's the guy that runs the shop. He's hiding. The anchor is sans decoration again. Sure it'll be all done up to some theme soon. Right, and I'm off up home with Mum's surprise pasty before I get too wet. Hope you've enjoyed today's little wander to see the seawall repairs and those couple of then and nows I chucked in. I enjoyed my walk anyway. Shame it started to rain. Never mind though. See you tomorrow, same time, same place. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Take care. Bye.